So I'm here in Oyster Park and I'm throwing my old crackers at these birds, and these birds are going frenzy over it. Watch this, watch this. Oh! This guy is a taker, he's been taking all the crackers. Oh! 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 This is a big piece. See who gets it. It's pretty heavy too. Oh, that guy again. Can't eat it though. He doesn't know what it is. Oh my god. Oh, he just flew away with it. Another big piece of cracker. Let's see who gets it. Ah! One bird eats all of them. Like that. Another big piece. Another big piece. Everybody's crowding over here now. Let's see. Let's see who has the balls. Bah! Guess they'll eat it when I leave or something. All of it.